All right, guys, Jeff here. Just going to give you a lowdown on this ratcheting style tie down, but with this a nice little retractable feature that I haven't seen too much. I think they're out there now, but anyway, this basically allows you to pull your. And anybody that's been using tie downs for any amount of time knows sometimes it's a pain in the butt to get these out and get them to the length that you need. But this one has basically a retractable. As you can see, it has a retractable style wheelhouse here that's just pulling that as I need to go, and whatever length it is that I need to tie down, that allows me to just pull it right in place. And then really I'm not even looking at that much slack to pull out of this, which is really nice because most of the time when you're doing these ratchets you wind up needing to pull quite a bit of that. But that just gives you a much easier way to manage all that extra strap that's in here. It takes care of it right and pulls it right out of the way. As you can see, that's going to provide tons of pull strength on there, and then it basically disengages the same way that all of them do. You just get that past that prime, and that opens that up to allow you to move. So anyway, a really nice way to address your tie downs.